Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showing you basically the new update that's just come into Gorilla Tag. So basically there's less rain and less snow in forests. So I'll read you this out. It says just a few bugs, fixes and tweaks today. The slow glitch while infected should be fixed now. Weather has been adjusted a bit. It's a little less rainy now. Back end improvements have made a better hacks, and improvements have been made to make some hacks less annoying. New sounds have been added to the keyboard and buttons. Unfortunately, the stools are a little possessed. I wouldn't worry about it. So what it means about possessed is it makes your arm glitch, like that, and your arm glitches. You try get under it and your arm gets stuck like that, you see. But yeah, basically what it means by clicks is this. You can all hear that. And then there's, I'm guessing here. Yeah, it's on there as well. And the keyboard is real nice. As you can hear. And hang on, if I go. Read it. Subscribe, yeah. Right, yeah, so that's basically it. Just like clicking. But yeah, and there's like a couple of changes there. I'll quickly show you if you like. There's gonna be like, yeah, it's there as well. It's on everything. When you click. Also, once we go into mountains, just ignore these people. For in here as well. Yeah, in here you've got it as well. Like that. And this is a bit darker, which means possessed, like that. But yeah, that's basically it for the video. Yeah, hope you all enjoy. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, like, and comment down what I should do next. Alright, bye.